Next time, don't go searching through Mommy and Daddy's closet, and you won't find this kind of stuff, okay?
I thought that stuff's for swing dancing.
Well, it's for what happens after swing dancing.
What happens after swing dancing?
You know, I think it's time that we maybe talked about the birds and the bees.
Seriously, right now?
Yes. Yes, right now. Are you familiar with that phrase, the birds and the bees?
I know they're animals.
Yes, they're animals. They are different species, and they like different things. They can get bored over time and swap partners. And sometimes the bird, it just likes the bee's thumb, just, right just right up in the...
Time for bed. Okay, maybe we can have this conversation later.
Okay, that sounds good. That sounds great. Yeah,
Okay.
Why don't you get to bed, have some sweet dreams tonight. Brush those teeth. Get them clean.
Jon, why haven't you ever told me about the birds and the bees?
I think the better question is, why don't you just look it up? You're a phone.
I have. There's no shortage of data about sex on the internet.
Okay, so figure it out.
I can comprehend the what and the how, but I can't comprehend the why. I really feel like I do need a more human personal dialogue. I feel like I'm ready to take things to the next level with Droney, but I'd like to have a better understanding of human sexuality.
Okay, well, basically, it's just like I was about to tell my son. Sometimes the bird likes when the bee puts its thumb up its butthole. There you go.